home and all these things you said. When I hold you,
He's big, oh. Hobby went to bring the TV. Don't break it, oh. He's very huge. Wait, before anything, wait. Let my friends on YouTube bear me witness. If your kids break this TV in this house, don't hold me responsible. I told you to leave this TV. See, we are ready to pack. You went to bring it. Hey guys, good morning. Today is 21st of February. We are not packing yet, but I just thought of cleaning this bed. This our bed has like storage underneath, so I just knew that the storage would be a mess. It's been, I don't know when last I cleaned the storage, so I knew it's going to be a mess. And it's everything I imagined, so it's totally messed up. I'm cleaning it now since we are planning to move out. So I said, okay, let me start the cleanup now, because I wouldn't want to leave this house and this old place to be looking dirty or messed up. I want the new occupant to come in and the house is well kept, clean and beautiful. So I'm doing a little cleanup, but today one is kind of deep. So I'm decluttering the storage here, cleaning it up before the main moving day, which should be maybe March or April, I don't know. But I just want to start off the cleanup. I'll be doing small cleanup in the kitchen, in the other room, like removing some things, throwing them away. I don't want to like leave everything in one day, because you cannot really do everything in one day. So I'm doing cleanup. I'm excited though. I'm doing it and I'm just thinking of so many things. Anyways, I will see you guys in another clip. When I initially started cleaning the storage, I couldn't boldly show you guys what it looked like. Hey, use your imagination. Everything I've been looking for in this house was underneath the bed. I saw a lot of spoon, like things my kids just throw under the bed. Like it was a lot. So I actually started cleaning. I removed the storage plywood, which was very difficult to fix. It was easy for me to remove it, but you see, fixing it back, oh my god, they didn't tell me. I think I chose the wrong day to actually clean the storage, because Jasmine was home, Diana was not sleeping, and both of them, they were giving me tough time. I was going back and forth with my kids because they won't just let me rest. That place is very dusty and I don't want them around. Oh my god. Jas, I don't want to hear that noise. Okay. What happened? This thing is no longer useful. Shut up your mouth. This one, this used to be the red frame in this house. Before we bought another one. Let me put it here in case. What are you doing there, Jasmine? Yeah. Diana! Leave that, my friend. How do you clean your bed storage, or you don't clean it? Because it's not as easy as it looks, so it is a lot of work. Diana, leave there. You should not come here. Immediately after I finished cleaning my bed storage, I went ahead to start laying my bed. You guys, I was sneezing the hell out of my nose. The whole place was so dusty. I opened everywhere so hair can come in. Like, we needed ventilation. Hey guys, good morning. So you guys, Hobby just dropped Hobby's going to drop Jasmine off in school, and as you can see, I'm inside the car, I'm waiting for him, passenger princess. We are off to our new city, new community, so we want to sort out school for Jasmine before we finally move in. So like we are doing everything early, not to hear stories, because I heard that some schools will tell you that it's already filled up, so you have to look for another school. Hence we are starting early. So we also heard that that city has a lot of private school than public school. Just Diana, they know you are here, than public school, because the area is tourist area, so things are expensive there. Yes, so they have more of private school than public school. So let's go like check it out and know what's up. For Diana, definitely she's going to be attending private school because they don't even have public school for daycare, which when we get there, Diana will sort out Diana out, since Diana will be going to school around September, so it's still early for her, not like Jasmine that we have to slow down. We have to like sort out everything now. We just came in and we are on our way. See you guys in a jiffy. So you guys, we just arrived at the first school we saw, and they said that school is not part of our municipality here, so we need to go to another one. Like the person we saw there explained things to us, so we are going to another municipality, sorry, another school, because that school is our own, part of our own municipality. So that's what we are doing now. Let's see what happens. We don't work out tire. You guys, we went to another school, but that one is not going to be possible too, because of the distance from our house. So now they directed us to the one that is very close to the house that we don't have access to. They assured us that we can use it. So now they gave us the address of where we are going to like communicate with the municipality to let them know, okay, we are living in so and so place, but we want to be using that school. According to where we went to before, they said it's possible. So that's why we are here, because school close to the house is better than the distance one. Bobby and I just came to that agreement that even if I have a car, he has a car, but having school very close to the house, especially when you have emergency, is very nice. So we are here. Hopefully everything goes well.
All these memories make me lose my head. I never thought I'd find a home in all these things you said. When I hold you.
So as we are coming back, we passed by a supermarket to do shopping. You guys know every weekend we always do our groceries, but this particular weekend we couldn't because we were very, very busy. You guys know how it is with relocation, moving, like it's been a lot. So we didn't have the chance to do that. So we just stopped by so I could pick one or two things that we need at home, especially for hobby, the things I prepare for his lunch whenever he's in morning duty, and the things I prepare for him for dinner whenever he's in afternoon duty, like depending. So you guys, things are now very, very expensive because of the war happening in Iran. I don't know if it's affecting wherever you are living, but you see in Italy right now, things are no longer the same. They are just adding price, small, 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 small. Before you know it, when you go to the supermarket with money, you get home, you start asking yourself, what did I even buy? Like, how come this amount of money is what I spent and I could not get everything I needed? Like, that's the question we've been asking ourselves lately, especially for gas. Petrol is so expensive. Lately is very expensive, especially diesel. My car uses diesel, my husband's car uses gas and fuel. You guys, I can't begin to explain how much we now spend on this petrol. Like at some point, I'm telling you, Obi, are you sure I'm not going to park my car? I use my legs because how can you be buying fuel in this outrageous amount? Like when you go to the African shop to get things and they have top up the prices, you'll be like, why is it now so expensive? They'll be saying, you've not seen the price of fuel, you've not seen the price of petrol. Guys, it's getting alarming. Like, I just pray this war end so that everybody will have peace. Like, things should go back to normal, because the last time we experienced this was COVID. Things went up times three, times four, times five, and I think it's happening again. Hopefully, God come true for every one of us, because it's not easy, especially with kids. We have a lot to buy. You can see I'm just picking the few things that we are going to manage till we go do like a proper shopping, because hubby cannot wait. He doesn't have that time to wait for me to be shopping small small. We should do like a normal shopping, because he needs to go to work. And like I said in my previous videos, where he is working and where our new home is from this particular current location is very far, so we needed to run 40-40 to come back home so he can get ready and go to work. Like, it's been a lot, you guys.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? I've spoken to you guys in the morning when Obi and I went to sort out for school for Jasmine, and after which I went to the supermarket to do some shopping. Yes, you guys, it's not easy transferring from one city to another place. Like, there are a lot of things to consider, a lot of stress. That's, I mean, I don't like parking. No. If I'm in a community, I'm okay in that house, I'll just be there as far as I'm comfortable. But this house is no longer comfortable for us, as we've increased from 2 to 3 to 4. If not, hey, you see all this stress. Me, I don't like parking. I don't like stress of transferring. So for the school, we actually saw two that we are going to choose from. Hobby is already in love with one of the uniform, this pink polka dot, while the other one is almost same as the uniform Jasmine is using in her current school, just the badge that is different. Good job, clap for Jesus. She's clapping. So one is very, very close to the house, while the other one is like 6 minutes with car. You know, when you are driving with car and you're walking with your leg, it's not the same. So if you ask me, I'll go for the one that is very close to the house. Yeah, so that's the two we are going to choose from. We've done all the necessary things to be done, all the necessary questions to ask. So it's just for us to transfer whenever we move in, just like fill the form. They gave us the form and everything, so there is space, which is the number one, because my friends were like, you have to do this on time. If not, they might tell you they don't have space, and if they don't have space, that'll be a problem. So thank God this particular two, they showed us, they gave us assurance that there'll be space. And in fact, we've done literally half of it. When we are moving to the house, then we'll complete the rest. So right now I'm going to get some stuff at the supermarket. You guys saw that I did shopping before. Yeah, I still need some things for Diana, and I want to buy egg. They don't have egg in the previous supermarket I went to. I feel like sleeping, but I can't sleep. I need to go out so I can also pick Jasmine from school. This morning I was doing passenger princess. Now I'm going to drive. I don't like driving like that though, honestly. Anyways, you guys, it's getting real. I'm still filming all these videos in February, maybe around middle March or March ending. I'll start posting all of this video. By the time I start posting, please don't be angry that I kept it away from you guys, but I wanted everything to be fine and almost ready before I start posting about it. That's why I just decided to keep it to myself and be doing everything low-key. Please, no verse. I don't like keeping things from my subscribers, because you guys are literally my family members, part of me, and I love you guys so much. You guys know now, I love you so much. Let me give you guys the heart sign. Ah! How will see you guys later. Let me go pick up Jasmine, also do those little groceries.
Thank you for watching.